Yo, welcome to the last episode of Lifetime Investment on Agriculture. So, thank you for following up. Thank you for watching all the videos. I hope you really enjoyed them all. So, let me quickly talk about this last one, which is not the least. I might not say I might not continue with this, but these are the six major one that will actually be a lifetime investment for you in agriculture. So this is the sixth one. So this sixth one will be, this one won't give you fruit. It won't give you anything. Anything like the thing that you are going to sell, small things like that you'll be selling time to time. This one will be that of timber. No, sorry. The voice is just, I'm having a kind of disturb on my voice. I'm sorry about that, but I know you are hearing me well there. So this will be on the one of teak tree. So I know you are imagining if teak is one of the lifetime investment too. Go ask those who are buying it for po. You know how much they are selling it, each one. I know some of you are building house in a developed area too, in a new area, the new sites too, and you are not getting the pole they do, the is it, what should I call it, the pole, the one they do in the company. You are not getting it right now, but you are getting the one of wood, and the one that the tree that I bet that are good that we are using most in Nigeria. Not talking about other countries, but the one we are using most in Nigeria is the teak tree. And you know how much it costs to get just a single pole. I know a lot of you have experience about that too, because you are building houses and you are taking light to your house, and not all of you have the money to afford the pole from the company. So you decide to buy the one of tree because it is advisable. So buying it, and you have to buy it original timber that will stay a longer time. So one of the best tree, the woods they use is the teak tree. So teak do stay up to 20 to 25 years sometimes, some maybe 10 to 15 years before it, depending on what you want to use it for. So they used to slice it, to cut it, and they will use it for plank, any other thing like that. They use it for chair. The timber, the tree is just good. It's a very strong one. So, and it's plantable, so people are planting it. So teak is a lifetime investment too, so you can stay longer than up to 300 years. It will just be getting bigger and larger. So they have a very long lifespan. So it's one of the best you can invest on. So you cut it, they if it's big, very big, they will cut it, they will come to your farm, buy them, and do what? They will slice it and go. So you can even cut the remaining wood and sell it. People will still buy it for firewood. So it's just a lot to make from agriculture if you think much about them and you invest on them. So if they cut the timber and they take what they need, the rest will still remain for you. After buying it, the rest will still remain for you. You will still find another operator, engine operator, cutting engine or machine operator. So they will come to your farm, they will cut those tree, the one that remains on your farmland, and you will do what? You will gather them up. If they are dried, you still sell them out as a firewood. People will still buy it with a huge amount of money. So teak tree is one of the lifetime investment you can invest on in agriculture too. Or you sell them for electricity. So that one, you won't let them to get much big. So they will come and they will buy it, they will cut it, they will go. So remember, the reason why I said it's a lifetime investment is it doesn't, before they cut it, another one would have been growing in the side. So, and by the time you are cutting it, not all of them are matured enough for what those people will need. They will still cut and remain some. So those ones they cut, they will still germinate again from another side. It won't die, it will still germinate again. So that is how you have to keep the farm clean, so that you can get a better result whenever time they heal down. They cut the timber down. So another one will still start by the side and will still be growing. That one will still serve you in the next season, in the next time that it's got matured again. So that is why it's lifetime investment. So on this Take three. I'm not going to talk much on that. So that is all you can gain from it, but it has a lot of money. It brings a lot of money too. So thank you all for watching all the sixth episodes to the very end. Please, you don't need to be concerned about my imperfections or any other thing, but I believe what I brought to you, you have learned one or two things out of it. So that is what I want you to get. So thank you for watching all our videos, and thank you for watching all these six episode titled Lifetime Investment on Agriculture. I believe by the time you start yours, you are going to make a huge profit. I'm praying to God that none of us will regret going into all this business one by one. So by the time you want to go into it, please strategize well and know your business plan, and actually take care of them so that they can take care of you. Whatever thing you take care of will actually come back and take care of you. So that is it about the lifetime investment on agriculture, in agriculture rather. So thanks you for subscribing, and thanks you for watching to the very end. This is Addota Farm. We make reviews, we talk on agriculture, and that is all we do here.